If you're looking at a 65% keyboard, you're probably not just buying for size. You're paying attention to the finer points, how the switches respond, how the board sounds in a quiet room, and whether it still feels comfortable after hours of typing. Today we're putting two compact boards from Epomaker side by side, the Galaxy65 and the F65 Pro. At a glance, they seem cut from the same cloth, but once you actually use them, their personalities start to separate. This comparison is all about how they feel day to day, how they handle extended use, and how subtle design decisions shape the overall experience. Right away, the two boards set different expectations. The Galaxy65 arrives with a more enthusiast-focused presentation. Inside the box, you'll find extra switches, tools, and accessories that suggest this is a keyboard meant to be opened up, tweaked, and personalized over time. The F65 Pro, on the other hand, feels like it's designed to get you up and running immediately. The essentials are all there, along with documentation and spare parts, but the overall vibe leans toward convenience rather than modification. Plug it in, connect it, and start typing. From the start, the Galaxy65 feels deliberate and workshop ready, while the F65 Pro feels approachable and easygoing. The Galaxy65 uses a CNC machined aluminum chassis, and you notice that density the moment you pick it up. It weighs just over 1 kilogram, staying firmly planted on the desk. There's no flex when pressure is applied, and the structure feels solid and tight. The ball catch mechanism also makes opening the case surprisingly simple for those who enjoy internal adjustments. The F65 Pro switches to a thick ABS plastic shell and drops some weight, making it noticeably lighter. It doesn't feel flimsy, the finish is clean and durable, but there's a softer, more forgiving character when compared directly to the metal build. If you like a keyboard that feels anchored and substantial, the Galaxy65 delivers that. If portability and ease of movement matter more, the F65 Pro is the more relaxed companion. This is where the boards really begin to diverge. The Galaxy65 pairs a gasket structure with an FR4 plate and multiple layers of dampening. The result is a firm but controlled typing experience. Keystrokes feel direct and stable, with the foam layers smoothing out harsh impacts without introducing bounce. The F65 Pro uses a PC plate and a flex-cut PCB, which introduces a subtle give when you type. Each press compresses slightly, creating a softer landing that can feel less fatiguing over long stretches. Stabilizers come well-tuned out of the box with minimal noise. In short, the Galaxy65 prioritizes precision and consistency, while the F65 Pro leans toward comfort and cushioning. Although both boards use gasket-style mounting, they interpret it differently. The Galaxy65 keeps things structured. Without flex cuts in the plate, the keys travel straight down with a composed, uniform response. It's a very controlled sensation, especially noticeable on larger keys that return cleanly without resonance. The F65 Pro introduces more elasticity through its PCB design. There's a slight, intentional compression that adds a gentle bounce. Not mushy, just more forgiving. It's the kind of feel that encourages relaxed typing rather than rigid accuracy. The Galaxy65 comes equipped with linear switches that emphasize smooth travel and a balanced force curve. The sound signature is low and rounded, with very little internal echo thanks to its layered dampening. The F65 Pro offers multiple switch choices, giving users more say in how the keyboard behaves. Lighter options feel airy and soft, while heavier ones add more presence and audible feedback. This flexibility makes it easier to tailor the board to personal preference without additional mods. So while the Galaxy65 focuses on refinement, the F65 Pro invites experimentation. The Galaxy65 sticks with classic cherry profile PBT keycaps and south-facing RGB. Lighting remains subtle. acting more like ambient glow than a centerpiece. It's there when you want it, but it never dominates the look. The F65 Pro takes a more expressive route. Shine-through legends and side lighting make RGB a visible part of the design. Built-in shortcuts let you adjust brightness, effects, and speed quickly, making lighting feel interactive rather than decorative. Galaxy65 treats RGB as background atmosphere. F65 Pro turns it into a feature. Both keyboards include a rotary knob, but their philosophies differ. On the Galaxy65, the knob feels like a precision tool. It's solid, removable, and easily remapped for different functions. Its simplicity matches the board's overall focus on customization. The F65 Pro gives the knob a broader role. It handles media, lighting, and even mode switching right out of the box, with visual feedback to match. It's more playful and designed for quick adjustments without software. Each board houses a 4,000 mAh battery, and both deliver strong endurance. With lighting off, they can stretch into weeks of typical use. Turning RGB on shortens runtime, but still leaves plenty of longevity for daily work. In 2.4 GHz mode, responsiveness is snappy on both. Wired mode feels instantaneous, while Bluetooth is perfectly fine for productivity tasks, though not intended for latency-sensitive scenarios. The Galaxy65 supports VIA, allowing deep remapping, layering, and knob configuration without heavy software installs. For users who enjoy tailoring layouts, this is a major advantage. The F65 Pro relies more on onboard shortcuts and built-in behavior. It covers most everyday needs, but doesn't dive as deeply into customization territory. So the Galaxy65 appeals to enthusiasts who like control, while the F65 Pro favors simplicity. After extended use, the difference becomes clear. The Galaxy65 is the kind of keyboard you grow into. It rewards attention, fine-tuning, and focused work sessions with a stable, predictable feel. The F65 Pro is the keyboard you can just enjoy from day one. It's softer, more expressive, and designed to fit naturally into everyday life without much effort. This isn't about which one is better, it's about what you value more: precision and customization, or comfort and immediacy. That was all about the Epomaker Galaxy65 versus F65 Pro. Share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more videos.